Now finally students, is the demonstrative adjective and numeral adjective. First of all, I would like to explain demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? That is, I have told to you, all of you in your demonstrative pronoun class, that demonstrative means to point out or to indicate by pointing. So demonstrative pronoun indicates by pointing. In same way, demonstrative adjective also points out or indicates towards noun or pronoun or any object. Example of demonstrative pronoun are these, that, these, those, such, same, all, some, etc. Demonstrative adjective can be divided into two parts. That is definite demonstrative adjective and indefinite demonstrative adjective. What is definite demonstrative adjective? Definite demonstrative adjective points out clearly, or you can say exactly. This by using word this, that, these, those, etc. But in definite demonstrative adjective, it does not points out clearly or exactly, but points certainly in certain way. But it does not tells the clear number or clearly this. And example of definite demonstrative adjective is all, some, few, none, etc. No, no one, etc. Example: this boy is my friend. That boy is my friend. So boy is here noun, and this that is the adjective. So this that is referring towards the boy noun. In same way, these those boys are here. Boys is noun, and these those are the adjective. Are my friends. All these four are pointing towards the noun boy. In same way, you fun everyone. तुम जो है हर एक का मजाक बनाते हो. I hate such habit. Such habit. Which type of habit? Such habit. And which type of habit? To make fun of everyone. यानी हर एक का तुम मजाक बनाते हो और हर एक का मजाक बनाने की जो आदत है उसे मैं जो है नफरत करता हूँ. So habit is noun. Instead of making fun, fun is verb. And this habit noun is being qualified by the adjective such, and such habit or are referring towards the verb fun. In same way, I found my same lost pen. Which pen? Same lost pen. means वही पेन कोई थी जिसे उस वही पेन में पाया. Lost pen is again adjective and pen is noun. But here overall lost pen is noun. So here same is the definite adjective demonstrative adjective. After this, indefinite demonstrative, this I think it is clear how definite adjective points out or indicates towards noun or its object definitely by showing certainty or definite clearly. But example of indefinite demonstrative adjective is here. Does not points out certainly, that is all, these are the all, some, same, certain, etc. Accident is certain event. Here certain is adjective, indefinite adjective, that is indefinite demonstrative adjective, and event is noun. So it is qualifying that yes, event is certain, pointing out towards the event about whom or about which we are talking or communicating. In same way, some boys made noise. कुछ लड़के जो है शोर मचाए. Here boys is noun and some is here adjective. Some can also be used as pronoun, indefinite pronoun. Here some is adjective boys. कुछ boys, सारे नहीं लेकिन कुछ boys. Certain है but not clearly how many in number. Exact number is not there, but certainty is here. As I had told here, certainly. Means boys were there, some 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, whatever be, that is not certain, but some boys were there, some number was there, some number is there. In this way, indefinite adjective describes or points out towards the noun or its pronoun. After this, difference between demonstrative pronoun and distributive adjective. I can explain here now difference adjective. Difference between difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Example is same. You can say this, that, these, those, such, same, all, some, many, etc. All these are the example of demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun both. Demonstrative, demonstrative pronoun. But what is difference? Difference फर्क क्या है? That is difference between both. This house is my. This house is Ravi's house. You can say this. Your house is noun and this is adjective. But this house is Ravi's. This is Ravi's house. Here, this is being used for adjective noun house. So here this has been used at the place of house. You can say the same thing can be used here. House is Ravi's. घर जो है रवि का है. House noun. Same person. This is house. Ravi's house. यह रवि का घर है. दोनों same same. This house is Ravi. This house is Ravi. So here adjective, example of adjective, or here example of pronoun. This has been used in the place of house, and here you can't say this is Ravi's house. This will wrong because you are adding here using this as adjective. So this, that, these, those can be used here as adjective and pronoun. And now such and same. How you abuse everyone, I hate such a same habit. In one line I want to explain. This is the adjective, this is the noun. But if you want to use it as these words such and same as pronoun, then you shall have to say you abuse everyone. Yes, okay. You abuse everyone. I hate such. मैं जो है ऐसी आदत है. Such is indirectly referring towards the action or verb abusing, to abuse someone. So it is here working as pronoun. Or such way or such to abuse everyone. Directly you can say here such. इस प्रकार you abuse everyone I hate. This is the example of distributive pronoun. In same way, all, some, all boys were present. Same way you can say all were present. Here boys is noun, all is adjective. But here all has been not used just before. Here like of pronoun or noun. So it is the working at the place of pronoun. So here all is pronoun, but here all is adjective. In this way, all this will be used. I think now it is clear. And after this comes number of numeral adjective. What is numeral adjective? Numeral adjective shows the how many are in what number, as pronoun shows how many are in what number. So numeral adjective shows how many, कितना है in what number, किस संख्या में noun or pronoun are in objectives. And it further it can be divided into definite and indefinite. Means numeral adjective can be divided into definite and indefinite two parts. Definite numeral adjective is definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective tells exact number. This is the main keynote of the definite numeral adjective. It tells exact number of the noun, pronoun, or object. For example, 1, 2, 3, etc., whatever be there. Indefinite numeral adjective tells incomplete number but not exact. Indefinite जो है numeral adjective नंबर तो बतलाता है incomplete, that is all, some, any, few, less, much, etc. But it does not tell the exact number 2, 3, 4, 5 like the definite numeral adjective. Also, etc. Definite, and after this, definite numeral adjective can be divided into two categories further: cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal it shows number, ordinal shows rank or position. Okay, rank or position means first, second, third, upper, higher, lower, etc. So example of definite numeral adjective, you can say two boys are playing. Here 2 is the adjective that is definite, but boy is noun, boys are noun, and if the word boy is being qualified or defined, the definite making definite clear exact by the word 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. First boy, second boy also definite. And indefinite, some boys, many boys are playing. Boys are some or many boys. Boys are playing. Some, there are lot exactly correct. That is complete in number, but not exact number. You can say, you can use for 10 boys. Here you can use 10 boys are playing. Then 10 boys, the word 10 will become in the category of definite numeral adjective. But at the place of 10, when we use the some or many for the 10 boys, it becomes indefinite. Indefinite numeral adjective. And boys is noun. This word is noun. In this way, you can observe or you can get the difference between definite and indefinite numeral adjective. And now example of cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal and ordinal both adjectives come under the category of definite numeral adjective. So cardinal number, here 2 boys, the word 2 is in number of cardinal, that is it is telling the exact number. But ordinal it shows rank, that is same. First boy is intelligent, third boy is intelligent. In this way, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, the upper berth, you can't say that is upper berth, that is place, बैठने की जगह. Upper berth, ऊपरी, that is it is showing the position, lower, upper, higher, etc. So it is not telling the exact number or place, but it is showing the status, position, upper, lower, etc. In this way, ordinal number can be shown. And what is difference between numeral and numeral adjective and numeral pronoun or pronoun of number? As earlier I have told, difference between adjectives and pronoun in same way. You know very well that adjective is used just before as I told that adjective is used just before the noun, means adjective is preceded by the noun, followed by the noun, or noun is preceded by its adjective. But pronoun works at the place of noun. For example, you can say two boys are in the field. This is the word two boys, here noun, adjective. So here two is working as the adjective, but how two can take place of the pronoun? Some boys are playing. Two are sitting on the bench. Here some boys, here some is adjective and boys is noun, and boys noun is being qualified or is being determined by the qualified by the word some. But here two are sitting. The word two is referring the boys, because in the park boys are playing and two are sitting on the bench, means two boys are sitting on the bench. Two means two boys here. So the word two has been used at the place of boys. So here the word two is performing the function of pronoun at the place of the noun. In this way, two is the performing the action of the pronoun, and here two is working or performing the work of the adjective. In this way, I think it is clear difference between the pronoun, adjective, etc. And further, I think whole adjective chapter is completed. And if any problem occurs, then whatever you deem fit, go through your book, call me, etc. Thank you.